So today I'm going to be making no-fat, raw vegan ice cream. I have this neat machine, it's called a Yonanas. Basically, it works kind of like a juicer would. People have made this ice cream using juicers a lot. The screw type, whatever. Anyway, it's got a little tamper to push the stuff down, and then on the inside, what it has is this blade. It's like a cone-shaped blade with little knives on it. So as you push the stuff down in there, this is turning, and it just grinds it away, and then kind of forces it down through this little opening on the bottom. So what you end up with is this really super creamy ice cream, but you only need to use frozen fruit to make it. So what I do is put this machine together, and it's really easy to clean as well. You basically just take it apart, run water over it, and everything just slides right off. And then just lightly wipe it down with some detergent just to make sure you get the rest of the stuff that you can't see off of it. But even if you leave it sit for a while, the stuff just melts right away when you run it under some hot water. So then it was like $50, so pretty good deal. So I'm going to rearrange the camera so that we can get a better view of the machine working, and then we'll get started. Alright, so we're all set here. Got actually, I'll wait to do that. What I end up doing is I put some bananas in first, and then I just kind of alternate back and forth with my other fruits. So I'm going to start it up. Noise is going to be loud, so I won't be able to talk while I'm doing this. So just watch. So there we are. Have a monstrous bowl of ice cream off of some bananas and cherries and peaches. All I did is take them and throw them in bags and freeze them up. And so the cool part is that they're ready to use anytime, and they stay for weeks and weeks, and you can make a treat like this whenever you want. And yeah. So I'm going to adjust the camera again. So anyway, I would recommend you get one of these because it's awesome. You can make a treat anytime you like. It's no fat, it's vegan, it loaded with bananas and fiber and sugar and all the good stuff. So anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like it, give me a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.